Hello students, today we are going to begin with the next topic in your grammar, and the name of your topic is nouns gender. So under nouns gender, there are four kinds of gender. What are these four kinds of gender which we are going to study today? So the first type of gender is masculine gender. Second type is feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Let's begin with studying the four kinds of gender under nouns gender. Let's understand each of them one by one. Masculine gender. When nouns denote names of males, they are said to be in masculine gender. All the names of males come under masculine gender. Let's see examples of masculine gender. Examples are father, son, cock, bull, lion, tiger, peacock, swan. All these come under masculine gender. Let's begin with feminine gender. When nouns denote all the names which comes under females, the names which are given to female species, they are said to be feminine gender. Let's see few examples of feminine gender. Mother, daughter, hen, cow, lioness, tigress. All these names come under feminine gender. Okay students, let's do some revision. Masculine gender father, the feminine version is mother. Son, daughter. Brother, sister. Man, woman. Shepherd, shepherdess. Rooster, hen. Dog, bitch. Bull, cow. Grandfather, milkman, manservant, landlord, he-goat, peacock, grandpa, policeman, father-in-law, grandson. All these are masculine gender. Whereas grandmother, milkmaid, maidservant, landlady, she-goat, peahen, grandma, policewoman, mother-in-law, granddaughter. All these words come under feminine gender. Okay, let's move ahead with the third type of gender, which is common gender. When nouns could be said of both males and females, they are said to be in the common gender. This is similar to common noun, students. It is a general name given to either male or female. For example, mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, these are the common names given to these male or female. It is not a proper name. It is not a particular name given to that person. It is a common name. So, it is a common gender. Let's see few more example of common gender. Teacher, student, baby, doctor. They can either be male or they can either be a female. A baby can be a boy or a girl, but it is a common name given to a gender, so it is a common gender. In the same way, teacher can either be a male or a female. So it is a common name given to a male or female. Student, again it can be a boy or girl. So it is a common name given. Doctor also can be a male or a female. So it is a common name, doctor, given to that male or female. Let's see few more examples of common gender nouns that are used both for males and females. Babies. Babies can be a boy or a girl. Dancers, students, parents, reporters, singers, engineers, lawyers, artists, teachers. These are all the common names given to the male or female. It can either be a male or female, but the name is common, so it comes under common gender. Let's move ahead with fourth type of gender, which is neuter gender. When nouns do not tell us whether they are male or female, they are said then to be in neuter gender. A neuter gender is all the things and objects, places which do not tell whether they are male or female. All those words which do not tell you whether they are male or female come under neuter gender. For example, table, chair, pen, TV, fridge. Table, chair, umbrella, bag, pen, pencil, eraser, compass, laptop, television, mobile phone, all these things do not tell you whether they are male or female, and so these all the things come under neuter gender. Let's see few more examples of neuter gender. So students, you can see here, boy is a male, so he goes in masculine gender. Girl is a female, she goes under feminine gender. Car doesn't tell you whether it is a male or female, so it goes in neuter gender. Man is a male, so he goes in masculine gender. Woman is a female, she goes under feminine gender. Table again doesn't tell you whether it is male or female, so it goes in neuter gender. Father and son, masculine gender. Mother and daughter, feminine gender. Boat, neuter gender. Grandfather, male, so masculine gender. Grandmother, female, so she goes under feminine gender. Tree doesn't tell you whether it is a male or female, so it goes under neuter gender. King, masculine. Queen, feminine. House, neuter gender. Let's revise once again. Masculine gender refers to the names of boys and men's, all the males. Father, son, priest, uncle, rooster, host, king, hero. All these are males, so they go under masculine gender. Feminine refers to the names of girls and women. Aunt, mother, maiden, grandma, hen, goose, nun, niece. These all are females, so they go under feminine gender. Common refers to the names of both girls and boys. Doctor, visitor, cousin, relative, nurse, friend, manager, singer. These all the names come under common gender noun because they can either be a girl or be a boy. They can either be a male or they can either be a female. It is a common name given to them. So it is a common gender. Next is neuter gender. Neuter refers to the things and objects, and we cannot tell them whether they are male or female. All the things comes under neuter gender. Eraser, shoes, chocolate, car, desk, bus, book, pants, all these things come under neuter gender because they do not tell you whether they are male or female. So students, now this is an exercise. Classify the following nouns on the basis of gender. The first word is mobile. A mobile doesn't tell you whether it is a male or female, so it comes under neuter gender. The second word given is actor. An actor can either be a male or female. It is a common name given to a person who does acting, so it comes under common gender. Third is books. It cannot tell you whether it is male or female, so it comes under neuter gender. The next word is lion. A lion is a male species, so it comes under masculine gender. The next word is poet. Poet is a person who writes poems. It can either be a male or female, so it is a common gender. Next, people. People also can be males or females, so common gender. Next is doctor. Doctor also can be a male or female. It is a common name given to a person who has got a degree of doctorate, so it is a common gender. Next comes pen. Pen doesn't tell you whether it is a male or female, so it comes under neuter gender. I hope you all have understood the 4 different types of genders.